Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace rear brake disc rotors on Ford Fiesta Mk7. Generation 2008 to 2017. We'll be demonstrating on the ST, the rear disc rotors replacement, so stay with us and we'll show you how to remove them. We'll be taking apart the whole car on the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos, so if you need anything, please subscribe. Check out the playlist, videos will be uploading all the time. So we have the car in park or in gear, if it's standard, so put it in gear. We're going to have, the tire chokes here to put on the rear right side, because we'll be working on the rear left side and we don't want the vehicle to roll on us. You can actually use two more on the front just in case. Always be safe than sorry. So we're going to go ahead and jack it up now. We'll need to have a jack stand. Always use a jack stand because if the jack fails, what happens? You're under the car, it fails, one little seal, O-ring fails, it drops on you and you're done. So one jack stand guys can save your life and your car as well. Something else that we will do for extra safety, stay with us and we will show you in just a second. We'll have the links for all the tools that we use and all the parts in the description of the video below guys, like that rapid pump racing jack, really cool deal. And it's very affordable, we really like it and we've been using it for more than 3 years and it works great. Okay, so we have the jack stand there now. So we're going to remove the lug nuts now. Okay, this one got stuck a little bit there. So we'll go ahead and remove all 4 of them. I'm not gonna waste your time watching us removing those, unless it's quick. And check out guys, we have a new channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. Only live videos for electrical problems, fuses, things like that. Really important information there. Only live videos, nothing edited, so you can see how we diagnose everything and how we do all that stuff. So now we'll need to get a 13mm wrench, and a 15mm to hold right here, the glide, because otherwise you'll start turning and you can damage that seal. We'll need to remove the brake caliper and the brake mount as well. This one's getting loose, now the other one. You can find all the tools and parts that we use listed in the description of the video below guys. More information there. Second one, when you put those together they have blue thread lockers, so you have to install some. Now you have to pull it out. Just help it a little bit with a screwdriver. Careful with the pads now, they'll try to fall out. Like that. We'll place the caliper right here. You can tie it to make sure it doesn't fall, because if it falls you might put too much pressure on the brake line and break it. Now, with the same 13mm we have 2 more bolts. This is for the brake caliper bracket. That we need to remove. We'll have to remove this one. The one on the bottom as well, same procedure. And later guys, if you need to see it putting together the brakes, we have the video how to install new brake pads. So pretty much you can follow that procedure if you get confused somewhere. Because there is one part with the springs that is a little bit confusing. This bolt out of there, now the top one only. Let me turn the light on so we can see a little bit better. This is the bracket out of there. Next, we can go ahead and pull the rotor out. Just grab it and pull it out. Just like that. So this is guys, the disc rotor, that's how you remove it. You install everything in reverse order, but it's important to compress the brake caliper piston. So check out the video, guys. It's on the channel. It's called rear brake pads replacement on Ford Fiesta. So check it out if you need help with putting it together. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.